Confirm containment integrity on the superalloy storage.
Latch secured.
Scanning parameters. Confirmed.
This macro inspection uses laser grids to verify the titanium's consistency, ensuring the critical supersonic air intake shaping meets requirements.
The air intake sheets show high fatigue resistance. Routing the lower grade material now.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
The massive titanium sheets are slowly heated in the annealing furnace to increase ductility, with robotic sensors monitoring the thermal profile.
The nickel-chromium superalloy housings are placed inside a massive vacuum furnace for specialized thermal cycling.
Steady, move it slightly to the left. Copy that, watching the alignment. Looks good.
With the structural housing manufacturing phase now entirely finished and securely stored, the factory can dedicate resources.
Weld data and certifications for batch 72.
Transferring now. Confirm complete.
The alignment on the starboard intake ramp is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The 5-axis calibration looks good for the next run.
Actuator seating confirmed. Monitor fastener torque.
All greens on Process B integration.
The intake ramp assembly is mounted onto the hydraulic test rig and commanded to cycle through its full range of motion. Capturing the precise supersonic contour, the scan confirms zero tolerance errors. This precision is vital for high Mach shockwave management.
A specialized transparent ceramic coating is applied via an electrostatic process, protecting the critical component.
Verify all fasteners are secure on the intake ramp assembly.
Confirmed. Ready for Process B transfer.
To prevent oxidation, each intake ramp assembly is sealed inside an inert gas bag. The machine draws.
These are the final ramp assemblies for Process B. Handle with care.
Noted. We'll move them to staging immediately.
All right, team, the synchronization is complete. We are clear for the merge. Go for final assembly.
Connectors locked.
Running diagnostic sequences.
Signal confirmed on all channels. We are good to go.
The fusion of the Process A structural housing and the Process B variable geometry intake ramps meets all required performance and safety specifications.
Steady, steady. All right, she's seated. Pass me the tensioner. Let's lock her down tight.
Check the port side chains.
We have clearance on the leading edge.
Engaging the automated sequence now.
Final torque sequence complete. Readings are nominal.
Confirmed. The joint is secure.
Emerging from the massive hangar, the completed Blackjack is finally ready for the crucial phase of engine ground testing.
The variable geometry intake ramps are critical for managing airflow and preventing engine surge. This ground test confirms their precision.
The positional accuracy on the ramps looks spot on.
Yes, the Process B mechanisms handle the supersonic phase flawlessly. The data confirms it.